Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches in screen recording on this device. So first we should open Settings application and then scroll to the Display section. Then scroll down to the Screen Record, and now you'll see here the Record Touch Points switcher. Just to switch on screen touches, click once on the switcher, and to turn them off, click on the switcher once again. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first open Notification Panel shortcuts and then find somewhere here the Screen Record icon, and to launch the screen recording settings, hold for a while this icon, and by the same way you can switch on or switch off screen touches in screen recording on your Motorola device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.